Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Tsakos Energy Navigation TNP traded at New York Stock Exchange. It's a very interesting stock that's closely entering to reversal pattern, so it opens some interesting buy opportunities. To understand those, let's have a look to current stats of the stock and where it's going. So after having the maximum, as many other stocks actually also reported at our channel, at about 8th of June, the stock is now constantly going down. Having at about middle of June kind of a stabilization, and then second leg down starts. So it's a classical two-leg movement. So the first leg was here. So this is leg one, and then we have a second leg. Looks like finished today. So now stocks is deciding what to do. And the previous 2 days ago trading session started below the closure, so at about 9:30, and then made a very long white candle. Seemed like the beginning of the new trend, but then it was declined now. So now we have a correction on the high leg, which should end up with final reversal. This is kind of a pre-reversal situation that often happens on stocks. So if we look at the trend, it actually was going like Z wave, first one, and then this is the second wave. And yeah, with some small dip down, now we were looking where we can go further. So this is the situation for this stock with respect to the candles. Now we have stabilization of the price after the white candle at June of the 2 trading sessions ago actually. And yeah, most probably it will further go down, then we should really enter for interesting opportunities. Let's have a look to other parameters. So RSI after June 8th still was not really overbought, but now it's constantly going towards oversold zone, which creates positive upwards pressure here. Slightly still might go below 30 on the zone, meaning really more bullish behavior. Also, it should coincide with deeper fall of the price. If you look at MACD, divergence convergence, actually also after having, this is not really fully formed the wave upwards at 8th of June. Now it's made a classical double wave, first wave and second wave. So first wave was about 15th of June, now it's double wave going second wave, and now actually at 6th of July, looks like we're finishing the second wave and it's really willing to go up. Or it can make another small wave down and then really go up. So double wave or extended shoulder, sometimes it's called, although it's more like a double wave actually than extended shoulder. Really very bullish. So extended shoulder was typical in the May, so this was the first wave and then smaller second wave. This is really, today we have like double wave composition. So this creates additional positive pressure upwards. But as I said, actually we have still decline of the 2 days ago white candle. So this is like long white candle correction effect here we observe, which might take some time before the mid of the week. This will, if this continues, it will open very nice, very safe buying options. So the very first line will be here, this level. So actually where the white candle 2 days ago started. The second buy option will be actually this one. So this makes us 2 boxes to buy. Box number 1, box number 2. Some people say, well, it's already more reversive, so we can buy. Indeed, if it falls somewhere below this line, which works as a temporarily, let's say, support, most probably just a volatility point, very thin area. If it touches it, you might consider already buying. I usually call it a zero zone, zero area, but I always advise keep some significant funds, let's say, to really seriously average down, because most probably it will go to level 2 or level 1 or more, maybe even level 2. Then the reverse should take place. Also, additional positive indicators here are that we have this classical 250-20 combination of moving averages. By the way, moving averages are depicted here, their descriptions on the left. Coming back to analysis, here they are shown as a red, blue, and green lines, being moving averages 250 and 20. and they are also quite high from each other, first of all, and the moving average 20 is also quite high from the current price, making it almost 15%. So these are gaps to be filled as well, and they are very nice and very broad. So in 1-2 days, stock will really enter a very interesting zone. Short-termly, I can't say it will be general reverse, but it will be some significant reverse. And once this happens, the selling zones will be, actually the very first selling point will be at this level, which was kind of two times it worked as support. First time at 17 of June, then at 17 of May, then 15 of June. And now it's actually will work as a first resist. Also, the moving average 20 will that time move to those areas, so it will be like a double resist, or actually a testing of moving average 20. If the price will cut it through, most probably first will volatile. If it cuts it through, it might happen that we will have further uptrend, but then we will need to see momentarily how it goes. If this happens, then the second selling line will be very good profit actually for this one. It will be here. This will be a second very strong resist, but what I do, I usually sell the first safest one, resist number 1, because we here at Stock Advisor consider trading to be an art, not a casino, so we try to be very predictive, although maybe missing sometimes too risky opportunities, but it's better to be sure of what's coming than to play uncertainty. That's all for TNP. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.